Greetings, Ani, Bojo, Kwe Kwe. It's Catherine here from Moonstarlodge in tiny Ontario, and I'm here with a quick review of one of the classes that's coming up in May. It's actually happening on Mother's Day, Sunday, May 14th. So if mom is tired of chocolates or another set of tea towels for Mother's Day, this is a hoot of a class. This is tea leaf reading, known as tasseomancy or tasseography. And so we actually pull out the teapots, pull out the special china. This class is loaded with all kinds of information and handouts that you can take away and use. We discuss symbols, we discuss the kinds and types of cups that you should use and shouldn't use. We look at special tea leaf reading cups, and we generally have an opportunity for students, as they learn the symbology through the afternoon, to share readings and do readings for each other. We have to limit the size of this class to between 8 and 10 people, just to have enough room to be able to do this. The afternoon is $75. It runs on Sunday, May 14th. As I say, that is Mother's Day, from 1 till 4:30, maybe 5 p.m. We ask students to bring some kind of treat, because if you're gluten-free, you don't want to eat other people's snacks. So bring something that's appropriate for you that you can share with others. And you can even wear your special Sunday tea leaf reading party hat. I mean, this is a lot of fun, this class. Lots of notes, lots of good things to take away, and a skill set that you will never tire from. I got my first set of symbols at 9 years old. It's something that I've worked with my whole life, and we won't say how many decades that is. But lots of resources for you, and it's fun, and it's starting to fill. So get your registration in at www.moonstarlodge.com. Brian will put all the pertinent registration info in the information section of this video. Aho.